so today I'm going to go over how you can use the text-to-speech feature on your MacBook. And so this is a random article I have from a recent paper I did. I took things away from it. But let's get to the main point. So to do this, to make it text-to-speech, you have to go to the Apple in the very top left-hand corner. You go to System Preferences, accessibility, the little blue guy right here. You have all these options, but we want speech. So you go to speech and you check this box right here. It says speak selected text when the key is pressed. And you have option, you have to click option and escape at the same time for it to read after you highlight it. You can also change the pace of it. And also you can change the narrator of it if you want a female voice or a male voice. I chose Fred because I like Fred's voice. So let's go ahead and read this article in Microsoft Word. So I'll just do one sentence. So I'll click option and escape at the same time.
We have all had one of these experiences at one time or another.
And just do another one.
Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder.
And also, while I was playing with this, I also discovered it wasn't only for Microsoft Word. So I have this link for my course that I found. And if I want to do this, I just click the buttons again.
Assistive technology, also known as AT.
So it only doesn't work on Microsoft Word, it could work on websites too. So very interesting. I hope this helps. Thank you.